you know 22% of Indian adults suffer from constipation? 20% of adults in America suffer from constipation. Overall, 4 in 10 adults suffer from constipation. More than $250 million is spent on medications to cure constipation. Think about it. Hey everyone, Namaste and welcome back to Adiyogam. It is considerable for elderly people who are having digestive issues. But what about the adults? 4 in 10 adults are getting this digestive system problem, especially these bowel movements problems. Because of that, constipation, diarrhea. It's a big issue. Today I'm going to give you very simple, easy technique. The only thing what I want from you is your consistency, your dedication for 21 days. If you are willing to give me those 21 days with the consistency, then only watch the next part, or else please don't watch. It's of no use. The number one first thing is wake up every day, same time. I know it's hard, but it's not that difficult. Fix your mind, use your willpower, put your alarm, not 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you want to do it, but wake up every day, same time. Got it? Step number 2. Drink 2 to 3 glasses of lukewarm water continuously without stopping. Right after 1 glass, drink 3 glasses back to back. Step number 3. Dance. Confused? You should not be. Yes, I'm going to show you 3 dance moves which you have to do it right after drinking 3 glasses of water. Are you all ready for the dance moves? Let's get onto the dance floor now. Just touch your back of the head, lift your right knee, touch your left elbow to your right knee and drop it down. Same with other side. Do this dynamically, like this. It looks like a dance. You can also leave the hand and move it a little more outside your knees. Comfortable, you can walk to the side, walk back. Looks like a dance, isn't it? Yeah? You just play the music, you feel like you're doing a dance. I feel like that. The second one is your favorite game, the ball movement. Not bowel movement, ball movement. Feet apart, more than hip width, hands to the sideways. Take your left leg as far as back to the right side. Right hand goes behind. Swing your left hand to the right side as if you're throwing a ball. And again stretch left side. Stretch right. Stretch left. Do this. Take the leg as far as possible to the side. 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 Feel that twist in your abdomen. Lower abdomen. Twist. Throw the ball. Hit the goal. Continuously do it. Relax. Right. The last and third most important dance move is zigzag steps. Okay? What you need to do is you need to move your toes to the left, hip to the right, twist, and your hands to the right side. Same way, other side. Just twist, 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 twist. If you're comfortable, jump a little bit on your toes, move your heels to the right and left. Continuously, you should do this. Twisting and slight jumping. Got it? These are the 3 moves which you have to do it drinking right after 3 glasses of lukewarm water. By now, definitely you'll get a motion. If not, try these dynamic stretches. The consistency and the frequency of bowel movements can be an indicator of your good health. So how often you should go? Health experts do not cite how many numbers one person should go to be a healthy or a normal person, but a general standard says that 1 to 3 times in a day is considered as a healthy and normal. Even some research says that 3 times a week is also considered as healthy. One more thing we need to remember, less than 3 times a week is considered as constipation. If you cure that in the initial stage, you can be very healthy and lead your happy life. If you don't consider it as a serious way, if you leave that, it becomes many other problems. Like it becomes irritable bowel syndrome, gastrointestinal infections, you may get fissures, you may get piles. There are chances it may go until cancer. If the frequency of bowel movements more than 3 in a day, it is considered as diarrhea. To get rid of that, what you need to consider is to make your bowel movements clear. Number 1, interlace your fingers, push your palms, lift your heels, come up on your toes. While dropping, drop the heels a little bit fastly and drop the hands. Like you need to drop your heels as if you're pushing it down onto the mat along with your hands, right? Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Last one, hold it and walk on your toes. Just walk around your hall, wherever you are. Side. Right hand goes to the left side, left hand goes to the right side. Inhale, raise your hands all the way up. Exhale towards the left. Inhale, center. Exhale. Lean as much as possible to the sideways. Continuously. And the last move is side bend. Comfortable, the variation here, twist to the sideways, left hand to the right leg, right hand to the left leg. You can go as down as possible. Oops, I got the motion. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like, bell icon. See you soon.